Mastering the game of strategy. Understanding, play someone's game. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that often pops up in conversations, stories, and even in competitive contexts. Play someone's game. This expression is a fantastic example of how English speakers use the concept of a game to describe strategies, behaviors, and interactions in real life. Stick around as we unpack its meanings, uses, and how you can apply it in your everyday English conversations. At its core, play someone's game is all about engaging in a situation according to the rules or strategy set by another person. It's not about literal games but rather a metaphorical use that implies participating in a scenario under conditions that might be more beneficial or controlled by someone else. This phrase can have both a negative and a positive connotation depending on the context. When used negatively, it suggests that by playing someone's game, you might be falling into their trap or allowing them to control the situation to your disadvantage. On the positive side, it might mean cooperating or engaging with someone in a manner that is harmonious or strategically beneficial to both parties. To fully grasp the phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In competition, don't play his game. He's trying to make you angry and lose focus. Stick to your strategy. 2. In negotiation, if we play their game, we'll have to meet their terms. Let's propose an alternative. 3. In relationships, I refuse to play her game of making me jealous. It's not healthy for our relationship. Each of these examples highlights different scenarios where someone might be tempted or persuaded to engage in a situation under someone else's terms. Now that we understand what it means to play someone's game, how can we use this phrase effectively in English? Express caution or strategy. It's a great way to advise someone to be mindful of the tactics of others. Reflect on actions. Use it to evaluate whether it's worth engaging on someone else's terms. Discuss power dynamics. It's useful in conversations about control, influence, and strategy in various contexts, from personal to professional. Remember, using such phrases enriches your English and helps you convey complex ideas succinctly. Play someone's game is more than just a phrase. It's a window into understanding strategy, control, and interaction in the English language. Whether you're navigating competitive fields, tricky negotiations, or personal relationships, recognizing when you're playing someone else's game can be crucial. We hope this exploration adds a valuable tool to your English language arsenal. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the dynamic world of English. Stay curious, and keep learning.